In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Hugo on your Mac computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. I'm going to use Homebrew to install Hugo. So at first I have to go brew.sh, this website, and then after coming to this site, we will see online of command. Here it is showing install Homebrew. We just need to copy here by clicking here, just on click, and then open terminal. And once the terminal is open, then just paste that command which you copied from there and just press return key of your keyboard, and very shortly it will ask you to put your password. I'm going to type my Mac password. Once you uh, type the password, then we have to hit return key, and then we have to hit return key one more time, and very shortly we'll see that this Homebrew will be installed properly, and if it needs to update, it will also update. So we have to wait till it finished, and once it is finished, it will be like this. Now it's time to install Hugo. So if we come to Homebrew website, if we start typing Hugo only, we'll see Hugo is there, and this is the command we need to install Hugo. So we just need to click here, and then we have to return back to terminal, and we have to paste it like this. So once you paste it, it will be looking like this: brew install Hugo, and then you have to hit the return key, and very shortly you will see something is going on, and once it is finished installation, then it will be this type of prompt again. So that means the Hugo software is installed properly. Now we can check whether it is installed properly or not. We can type the command Hugo, then version, and then we can hit the return key, and if it shows something like this, that means Hugo is installed. And in Mac, whenever you will install Hugo by using this Homebrew, then it will install the extended version of Hugo, so you can do lot of modification, many things, everything you can do. And that's it. In this way we can easily download and install Hugo on our Mac computer.